What's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is pretty special today because I'm going to be unboxing my NYX Face Awards Top 20 box of goodies. I'm so excited. So for you guys who don't know, 2 years ago I entered into the NYX Face Awards. It is a makeup competition for those of you who don't know. And I, for some weird, bizarre reason, got all the way to the top 5, which I didn't think was genuinely possible. I was really in over my head. I survived because I was lucky and because you guys amazingly voted for me, and I appreciate you the world for that. And I guess it made me think, I really want to improve. I really enjoy and love what I'm doing, and I want to get good at it. And so I was pretty much practicing now all the time, doing all kinds of crazy, weird and wonderful creative makeup looks to you know, improve my abilities. Last year I entered into the NYX Face Awards and I didn't make the cut. And this year I entered again into the NYX Face Awards and I made it. And honestly, I'm so freaking excited about that. Like, I can't even, like, the chance to go again and show everybody how much I've grown is really exciting for me. And so today we are here with the box that every contestant in the top 20 gets delivered. These are the products that I've been given to do my next makeup look, which is the theme Proud Soul. I already have planned my my look the instant that it was announced, but these are the products that I've been given to create that look. So we're about to dive in and explore what we have to make that possible. So I've kind of got a setup with 2 cameras now. I'm hoping that it's a little bit more awesome than the last time I did this unboxing. Last time I was just like, oh my god, this is so exciting! This is so exciting! I'm still going to be like that, but with 2 cameras. So without further ado, let's tuck in, let's dive in, let's get involved. I don't know, I'm waffling. Let's make it happen. Okay, so we have this. Guess what? You've made it through to the top 20. We were blown away with your entry look and so thrilled to have you as a part of our UK and Ireland Face Awards top 20. The theme for the next round is Proud Soul. You will find a selection of NYX professional makeup products inside this box to help you create your Proud Soul look. Sponsors of this year's competition, Superdrug, have also popped in a few products for you to enjoy. For this round of the competition, you are required to blah blah blah. You will see it. There's actually so much stuff in it. Oh, opening makeup always gives me so much joy. Okay, this is heavy. Here's where we have like it's bigger than my head, so still tiny. We have a little box here. I don't know what's inside. Oh, okay. I'm actually mega excited about this because I really wanted to try this foundation. So we have 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 shades of the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, which I'll probably show you my lovely pale shade right here. Oh, yeah, that's it. So we have a bunch of these, the foundation shades we are going to need. I'm actually really excited about that because I've heard really good things about that particular foundation, and I've tried the concealer and it's really good. So we have another little box. And inside we have, oh, more makeup. We have the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, which, as you guys know, I already have about 15 of. I honestly have this palette so many times. I've actually given 2 away because I've had so many of them and I use them all the time. If you like to do crazy rainbow looks, this is the one. It's got every single color in it and it's basically the size of my hand, so you can take it anywhere. It's really convenient. We have the Off Tropic palette, which I also wanted to try, which is another beautifully vibrant rainbow shade kind of palette. Tropical, very fitting. We have the Born to Glow palette. I also own this palette. I'm such a loser, I have every single product. We have the Born to Glow palette. And we have Another palette that I own. Oh god, I own everything. I'll stop telling you that I own it all. But we have the Ultimate Edit palette, another little cheeky bright palette. And we have the Glitter Goals, a mini quad. And I honestly pretty excited about this because you probably don't know. I used to make my own glitters using the NYX loose glitters, and you can just kind of make your own ones with gelatin and aloe vera and stuff. So I used to make my own ones, but I recently threw them out because I'd had them for like 2 years. So I'm really excited to get the Glitter Goals. Okay, what else do we have? We have a large selection of brushes. Even a little sponge brush, which is really cool. I've never seen a sponge brush before. A blending sponge. Love a new sponge. Love having many, many sponges. On the Spot Makeup Brush Cleaner, another product that I actually use. You guys know I'm obsessed with keeping my brushes really, really clean. I wash them all the time. So this is really good for your eyeshadow brushes, just to give them a little freshen up so you can mix different colors. The micellar water. Oh no, mine's open. Oh dear. Oh dear! Okay, we do have micellar water. I think that's how it's pronounced. Mine is open, rip. I also use that. I really need to stop saying, I also use this. I already have it. I love these products. Okay, this one looks new. I haven't got this. Cleansing milk. Love. Great. Okay, we have cleansing milk. It's covered in micellar water because it's wet now. But neat. Okay. I guess this is one of the Superdrug products. So this is a cleaning mat for brushes. I love that. So basically you put your brush in whatever cleaning solution, you just give it a little swill around and the abrasive surface will just help give it that scrub. That's really cool. And we also have an eyelash curler. Hell yeah, because mine pinches me in the eyeball. Love. Another sponge. We have another sponge. We have a makeup brush cleanser, another one, but this one is one of the Superdrug products. We have some Vivid Brights. I actually have 50 of these. I will probably not stop saying I already have these, but I love them. That's why I have them. So, yeah. There's even more in here, I think, but it's like Christmas. It's like Christmas. We have eyebrows. Eyebrow products. Where's the rest of them? Honestly, if I could just show you guys kind of, there's lots of products in here. Some eyebrow products. I love these. These are my favorite eyebrow products of all time. They are the micro brow pencil, and I literally tag them in every single post because I can't get enough of them. They're amazing. They are, I think, like £8 in store, and I just think that that's so affordable for an eyebrow pencil that honestly rivals many, many other brands of eyebrow pencils. We have a matte finish setting spray. It's a primer, isn't it? Setting spray. And we have a first base. We actually have a primer. We have a primer spray here, so we have both a setting spray and a primer spray. Of course, we have SFX cream paints. I use these all the time for all of my makeup looks. I think that they blend really, really well. I especially use them if whatever I'm painting needs to be quite opaque. They sit really nicely on top of like more like water activated kind of paints. They sit on top of it just perfectly and blend really well into it. So I'm a big fan of those. We have, oh, another eyeliner. We have these glitter gold. These are glitter liquid lipsticks. We have them in a bunch of colors. I keep missing, there's so many products in here. Like there's actually a giant pile. What I'll do is I'll take a picture of all the products as well and put that as the thumbnail so you guys can see just how many there are. Bunch of these glitter golds. Another eyebrow pencil. Okay, so we have 6 different glitter golds. They are all rainbow pretty much, liquid lipsticks. We have a contour palette, a cream contour palette, cream highlight and contour palette. Here's my favorite, so I'm happy about that one. We have a bunch of wicked lashes in here too. Okay, we have some wicked lashes, a few different styles. We have some really dramatic ones, aptly named Drama Queen. We have Vixen, and we also have some singles, which are always useful because you can pop them on the bottom, or if you want something really subtle, then you can go for that. So we have a bunch of wicked lashes. This is my favourite eyeliner of all time. It is NYX's Epic Ink Liner, and I just like the micro brow pencil. I swear by this product. I think it is one of the greatest eyeliners, if not the greatest eyeliner that is available. As I say, like the micro brow pencil, it's really, really cheap. It's waterproof, and it's like a felt tip liner, but it's not. It's kind of it doesn't dry up. It really doesn't dry up. If you leave it upside down, the ink will run to the bottom of the nib, so the next time you use it, it's going to be just absolutely full of eyeliner. It's really, really great, and I actually use it for a lot of my body paint detail work. So everything that needs an outline, instead of using like a black paint with a tiny brush, I find that this is much more precise. The only thing I will say is that if you are leaving it upside down, make sure that there are no bubbles of ink at the bottom, so you don't get an eyeliner explosion on your eye. But they are fab, really, really good. We have also a bunch of regular lipsticks, the regular suede ones, yeah, the suede matte lipsticks, which I'm a fan of because my lips are so dry that I think that I usually work better with regular types of lipsticks. So we have a bunch in all different colours, including a hot pink, which I'm excited about the hot pinks because I think that's probably what I want to use for my look. We have 6 lipsticks here. They are the matte suede lipsticks. We have a, I love this. This is a clear lip lingerie glitter. So I guess it's kind of like a lip topper. And it's in a clear glittery colour, so you could probably just put that on top of a regular lipstick just to give it a bit of a sparkle. That's nice. I like that. We have as well a bunch of pencils. Honestly, I think that the NYX jumbo eye pencils are really, really fabulous. My jumbo eye pencil that I already have is like this big. It's really perfect for drawing out any designs, because it's soft enough to wipe away and smudge away and blend out into the skin. But you know, it gives a strong enough colour, and it's opaque enough to be able to see it. So I really like it for drawing out all of my designs. And also it's the best like white. If you want to do white on your waterline, it will stay there for ages. So we have the another jumbo eye pencil in milk. We also have the black bean jumbo eye pencil, which is its counterpart. It's the black one. And we also have here something that I've just dropped. We have a lip primer, and it's in a pencil. So I'm really confused by this, but I'm kind of intrigued. Awesome, I love that. How cute they are. They're so adorable. We have the NYX Control Freak Brow Gel. I use this every day. We have the Hydra Touch Primer, also wearing this today. Love. I do love, I really do. We have some primers here. We have the Glitter Primer and the Pigment Primer. These are really, really important for the pigments. We do a bunch of those. We have a foundation mixer. I haven't had these before. This one is in a dark colour. So these are for mixing with your foundations to give them slightly different colours. So you just add like a drop of this to a lighter foundation, it'll make it a darker foundation, etc. We do have only one of those, and it is not my shade. But it might be useful for the future for some creative makeup looks. Oh, another Blooper Brights that I've ignored. And we have some more lip products that I don't want to leave out. We have a duochromatic shimmer lip gloss. Might be really nice just to put on the center of your lid, just to give it some dimension. And we also have a This Is Everything lip oil. They're all about the lip care this time, so this is really, really useful. We have a pore filler primer, really good for your nose if you've got really, really big pores. It'll just smooth out the surface, so that's great. We have a SFX set. This is the powder that goes with the cream paints. So to make them kind of touch proof, you use the SFX set powder. It's just a clear powder. It's white really, but because it's loose, it's really clear. A eye primer in white. We have a white one. Worth the Hype mascara. Perfect. I need a new mascara. And we have the travel size ones this big. So we have a Worth the Hype mascara. And we have a bunch of pigments and stuff here. So a bunch of glitters, a bunch of pigments. We have a lot of them. I don't think I've even got space for them all. And we've got the blue one! Okay. So this is my favourite one. It is glitter number 3 in teal, and it is this stunning blue colour, and mine ran out, so really happy about that. We have just a big assortment of glitters and pigments in here. Okay, and that is the end of the box. I told you guys there was an explosion in my box. It's a little bit soggy now, but that is okay. Micellar water never did anyone any harm. I'm gonna keep this ribbon. I'm gonna use it. Let me just show you guys all of the products then on the table behind me, so you guys can see them all in their glory. So here we have all of the products that we unboxed. I'm really mega grateful to have received all of this. We have pretty much every single product so that I can do any kind of look, and I already have big plans. I kind of know where I want to go in the direction of my look for Proud Soul theme. Yeah, I'm going to include now some product shots and some little zoom ins and stuff so you guys can have a look. So yeah, there we have it. That is the unboxing of all of the NYX goodies for the top 20 of the UK's NYX Face Awards. And honestly, I feel like, I don't know how to describe it, but I feel like I have butterflies in my stomach because I really wanted this so much. I was so nervous when I entered into the Face Awards again this year because I got denied last year, and so now the fact that I got through to the top 20 is just a big relief, and just, I don't know, I feel so grateful and so happy. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to share that with you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna start getting prepared for my entry. I already have an idea in mind. I don't want to say it now in case I change it slightly, and also because I'm going to post this video a little bit earlier, but I'm probably gonna go ahead and go live on stream, and we can start kind of constructing this concept, and you guys can join in and watch, or join along on the ride or something. But yeah, this has been really amazing for me to be able to share this with you guys, and I just really truly feel so grateful. So yeah, a big thank you to NYX Professional Makeup in the UK for choosing me in the top 20 for the 2019 Face Awards, and yeah, I hope that I do you guys proud, and I guess I will see you guys in the next video, which may or may not be the next theme's makeup look. I'll see you guys there. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, so we are back, and this is pretty much our entire product collection. Oh no, not like this. A little bit shaky. Let's try on this camera. We're pretty much, okay, this is cut. I don't know what I'm doing here. I just thought I would showcase some products real quick, but I think I'm a goof. English is so hard. Please make a bloopers. I would like that, like a blooper. Yes. Okay. Okay.